मेरा नाम श्रेया है। मैं केंद्रीय विद्यालय जनकपुरी में 10वीं क्लास में पढ़ती हूँ। मैंने इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग इंस्टीट्यूट से इंग्लिश सीखने के बाद मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हुआ है, जैसे कि मेरे को अब क्वेश्चन आंसर्स रटने नहीं पड़ते और मैं अब अपने टीचर्स के साथ इंग्लिश ईजीली कम्युनिकेट कर सकती हूँ इंग्लिश में। टुडे आई एम गोना स्पीक अबाउट द फेमस पर्सनालिटी हिटलर. Hitler was born in Austria in 1889 and he spent his youth in poverty, and he enrolled for army in the First World War, and he earned many medals for bravery. Actually the real game started from the First World War, so I'm going to speak about the First World War first. So the First World War, in the First World War, there were two powers, Central Power and Allied powers. So, Central Power consists of Germany, Austria, Turkey, and Allied power consists of France, Italy, and France, Britain, Russia, and USA. Actually, at the end of the war, Germany was defeated, but initially Germany was dominating by occupying Belgium and France. But in the last, what happened? America joined the war, and because of the America entry, the Germany lost the war. Germany was defeated. But after that, what happened? The emperor of the Germany abdicated its throne, and then it gave the opportunity to other people, to other parties to recast the German policies again. And then after that, they met at there was a national assembly in the country at that time, so they met at Weimar and they made a democratic constitution, which was republic. Yeah, and they wanted to set up a republic government in the Germany. And there was after the defeat of the Germany, there was a Versailles Treaty in the France. Yeah. So in that Versailles Treaty, Germany lost many things like tenth of its population overseas colonies, tenth of its population overseas colonies, and 26% of its iron and 75% of its gold. And many reserves it lost, and after that it had to pay compensation amounting to 6 billion euros, which was very humiliating treaty for Germany to be accepted. So what happened after that? Germany was in crisis, and Germany printed paper currencies recklessly without any thinking, and this created a situation called hyperinflation. In this situation, the prices of the goods rises phenomenally. So America tried to help the Germany by introducing Dawn's plan. According to this Dawn's plan, what happens? According to this Dawn's plan, America was supposed to pay short-term loans to Germany, and it did for 4 years. But in 1929, what happened? The stock market crashed, and the crisis, there was economic crisis worldwide. Yeah, so at that time, no one was able to help Germany, and America was also in crisis, so it couldn't help Germany. And after that, this year of depression gave the opportunity to Hitler to rise in power. So what he did, Hitler took the advantages of the situation, and he gave speeches to mass public, and he also rallied on the roads. So soon he became the Messiah of the people of the Germany. And after that, what happened? He in 1932 he contested election second time, and he won by gaining 75% of votes, and his party became the largest party of the country. After that, the Hitler became the Chancellor of the Germany by winning the elections, and now he had the power to do anything. What he did, he just implemented he just introduced a enabling act. Yeah, according to which he could do anything. Like he didn't had to take permission from Parliament, so he could do anything according to his will. He introduced enabling act. I have already told you about this enabling act. So after this, what happened? Hitler wanted to take over the resources from other countries which were annexed by the Allied powers, and he wanted to spread territories. Yeah, he wanted to conquer territories. at that time. So what he did, he just started the Second World War, 1939. He started it from the Poland, and he attacked on Poland during the Second World War. What was happening in Germany was very cruel at that time. So it was genocide was happening in the First World War in Germany itself. Actually, Hitler thought that the Nordic German Aryan they have the only right to live, and other people like Jews and other races didn't have the right to live. So what he did, he just put them into concentration camps and gas chambers, which like he killed them, because he wanted to create a society full of pure and Nordic German Aryans. And at last, what happened in the Second World War, at last the Hitler was defeated. Hitler was defeated, and after that he committed suicide in a bunker with his supporters. Thank you for listening me. And if you can talk to me, come and talk.
Okay, thank you.